Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a WordPress site in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you'll learn how to get started with Namecheap shared hosting, also how to manage your website and email account, and how to optimize your website performance inside Namecheap and other videos. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to delete a WordPress website inside Namecheap. Deleting a WordPress website from Namecheap is easy. It all starts with going to cPanel. Once inside cPanel, click on WordPress Manager on the left. Next to your WordPress website, click on this little arrow. Then click on Uninstall. Make sure to check all of these options. Then click on Remove Installation. Confirm your selection. And as you can see, my WordPress website is successfully deleted from Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.